And we're in Clovis?
Yeah.
Clovis, California. We just installed a couple of faucets. These are provided by the homeowner. These are Pfister oil rub bronze. Pfister is a top manufacturer, and one thing nice about their faucets is they give you a little pop-up drain. Those are great. You just pop it down and up. No more little lever in the back that you have to adjust and whatnot. So this is installed. Of course, down here, what we did is we gave you some brand new supply lines. Typically, you got the old Quest tubing in there, and it's as old as the home. So braided stainless steel supply lines, those things are great. These two shutoff valves on the right-hand side lavatory sink were dripping out of the packing nut, so we tightened those down for you. But we did get it installed, got your trap reinstalled, everything. We flushed a lot of water down the line, so we want to make sure nothing's leaking before we go. We do ask that you monitor these areas because you want to make sure that if anything develops at all, we have an opportunity to come out here and take care of it. We don't want to damage any of this down here, and worst of all, we don't want to, from water being down here, we want to get mold because the little one's in the home. So there's two sinks in this bathroom, so one on the left as well. Same thing, identical, pop-up drain, Pfister, faucet, oil rub bronze, and down here, same thing. So the original quote was $350, and we upgraded the supply lines $10 each, so that's what they cost us. So we went ahead and upgraded those for you, and those are nice. This side was not leaking. The packing nuts on these valves were not leaking, and those are your valves, by the way. So those are great. We tested this one out as well. Everything looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.